You have participated in an economic experiment where you were given two choices, options A and B. Option B, the airplane game, is an example of a classic pyramid scheme which actually hit the theater community in Broadway in the 1980s. In this case, you start as a passenger and recruit 3. Those 3 do the same and repeat until you have 39 people under you. Money flows from the new recruits up. Keep in mind there are others recruiting at the same time. This is considered a deceptive and illegal practice, as nearly all will lose while a few gain. In this case, we had you enter at level 4 as the 41st participant. Level 4 people would need more than 2,000 to reach captain, more than the stated population. Therefore, the probability of winning the airplane game simulation was effectively 0, though we will give you a 1 in 100 chance of winning $20 today. If a structure is built on pay, recruit, duplicate, meaning getting others to do the same, it is an endless chain recruitment structure, or pyramid scheme, which is designed to deliver gains to a few at the expense of the many, as most people will have trouble getting enough people when the structure grows exponentially. Pyramid schemes can be presented in multiple ways. Chain letters are now often presented as gifting circles. In the gifting circle called the blessing loom, pictured on the left, you're instructed to pay $600 to enter, you recruit 6, and then you move in 1 space closer to the center. When you reach the center, you get a payout. The problem? Most people will not reach the center, and this is an illegal structure. Pyramid schemes can also disguise themselves as multi-level marketing companies. As a member of a multi-level marketing company, or MLM, you sell a product or service and recruit additional sellers. Vima Verve is an example of an MLM that was sued by the Federal Trade Commission. The Federal Trade Commission argued that the recruitment of new sellers overwhelmed actual sales of the company's products to consumers. If building the team of sellers becomes more important than selling a product or service, it has the same structure as an illegal pyramid scheme. No matter what words are used or context is provided, if the essence is to pay and recruit, you should reject and report. Other warning signs of a pyramid scheme include high-pressure sales tactics, an urgency to get in, promises of making money fast, or suggestions of passive or residual income, meaning money that will effectively be earned in your sleep after you've built the team below you. Compensation structures that are hard to understand, push for upfront investments or periodic or monthly payments in order to stay eligible for compensation, focus on recruiting friends and family, and again, the essence, a limited focus on selling to consumers outside the organization. Building the team recruitment becomes more important than any sales of products or services. We will give you a brochure today to remind you of these warning signs and to give you some resources. But keep in mind that you can always turn to the Federal Trade Commission, your state attorney general's office, Securities and Exchange Commission, and consumer groups like Truth in Advertising. Thank you for your help today. Remember, if you see anything that includes pay, recruit, and get others to do the same, reject and report.